Welcome to video number 12, and in video number 12 we're going to have a discussion into wrapping up the creating posts and pages. And we kind of had gone in detail in the previous video as to how to create a post, and in the previous video how to create a post, and in the previous video how to create a page. There we go, that's how we did it. So now we're going to just sort out the nitty-gritty as to as I explained in the previous video. I mean, for instance, let's say you want to remove the comment section. I'm going to show you how to do that, and just understanding general terms when it gets to posts and pages. I'm also going to show you the key differences between them as well. So I'm going to go over to my page and into my gallery page, and the first thing that I want to do is kind of show you the difference between posts and show you the difference between pages. And what I want to do is I want to go to my post section, and I want to open a post in a new tab for you. So the reason why I'm doing this is I want to show you the difference between them hand by hand. With a post, you will always have the following. You'll have let me show you a better post, because this one is more of a status than a post, or a site than a post. So let's just go to the home page, and I'm just going to grab right at the beginning the first post that we created. And the first thing I want to show you is a post always allows you to leave a reply. Okay, now even if you're logged in or not, it will show you leave a reply. Whereas in the page section, you don't really have that, do you? A post always shows you the tags that we tagged in, and it shows you which category it's in. It shows you it's in category, it's in hosting category, and it shows you date that it was published. Now in gallery, yeah, it doesn't really show you that. It just shows you nothing, right? So that's the key differences between the posts and the galleries. Now, in essence, like I said in the previous video, we want to remove the discussion or the comment section of this of your physical your physical pages area, or pages page, because you don't want people to actually comment on your pages of your website, right? But you want them to comment on your post section, because you want people to start talking about it, and you want people to start sharing that on your social industry. Maybe you want to do that with your pages as well. I'm not sure what you want to do or what your client wants, but I'm just going to show you in essence how to disable the comment section in general terms for your pages section. So let's go back to our pages section. And by doing that, I'm going to go to, on my dashboard, I'm going to hit pages. And I'm going to show you a quick bulk way of disabling a comment on your pages section. So what you do is you click on the highlight all, or you can click on the actual button if you just want to do one of them. And you press the drop down, and you go edit, and you press apply. Thus, when you do that, it's going to give you a couple of options. It's going to show you author, parent, template, comment, and status. What we want to do is we want to grab the comments, and we want to say do not allow. Once we've done that, we want to grab update, and that's going to update the relevant pages towards that area. And what we're going to do is we're going to press reload, and if we press reload, you're going to see that the comment section has been removed. Now it's a great success, because now there's no comment section, and the people can't go around and start commenting a bunch of stuff on your pages, in which we don't allow. So that's the one way of doing it. The other way of going ahead about disabling comments is by actually going to settings and then discussions, because we want to go and do a physical, like, large disablement of this actual thing. So when we have a look at discussion, it gives you a couple of options, and this is very crucial, and I want you to understand this because we're going to set a couple of settings now, so that not anyone can just go ahead and do stuff on your website. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to have a look at attempt to notify any blog linked to the form of the article. Yes, we want that. Allow linked notifications from other blogs. Pingbacks and yes, we want that. Allow people to post comments on new articles. Let's go and allow that. That's articles. That's not pages. So that's posts. It says comment author must fill out name and email. Yeah, that's fine. Users must be registered and logged in with the comment. Yes, we do that. Otherwise, anyone can just go ahead and do that. Automatically close comments on articles on older than 40 days. Yes, we want to do that. And then enable thread hole nested comments 5 level deep. Yep, that's fine. That means that it's only going to show 5 of the comments at a time. Break comments into pages with 50 top. Yes, so that's going to break the comments into pages if it gets to be a lot of comments. Anyone posts a comment. A comment is held for moderation. That is fine because we want comments to be approved before we can actually want it on our website, because we want to try and avoid spam firstly, and secondly we want to try and avoid people swearing on our website, right? And administrator must always approve the comment, so we're going to click yes because we want an administration to always approve a comment. And comment author must have a previously approved comment. That is fine. So this is basically the next set. Is it says that when a comment contains any of these words in the content name, URL, email, or IP, it will held moderation queue. So if you say that you don't, we're going to, the comment is held for moderation, all comments will be held for moderation if you click this. But if we unclick this, we can go and we can add words here that match that. And once it matches those words, it will get queued for moderation. So you can get words, swearing words will go into this section, so we can add words like this. I'm not going to actually say that word. And you can do a comma and then do the rest of the words and so forth. You can see I started a bad word there. So that is adding words that will automatically get added to the queue, which is great. So I'm just going to leave this because I want everyone to be held for moderation by now. And you can also add a blacklist. A blacklist is basically where if you have really bad words like the F word, you can add it here and it will automatically get blacklisted without being added to moderation. And avatars are basically, you can link this to your Gravatar logo, and this is one of the downfalls of WordPress, and they should really improve this, is to allow people to upload their profile pictures in the actual WordPress. And unfortunately, you cannot do that with WordPress. You can only link it with your Gravatar logo. Once you're done with this, you can go ahead and save changes, and when that changes are saved, you will be able to allow users to log in first before they can leave a comment on the posts, and also wait for moderation and